Cool, we are live, it looks like. Amazing. All right. Okay, new week, guys. New opportunities. I have here a list of a few assets I'm looking at this week. And let's just jump right into it, all right? So, AUD CAD. What are we seeing here? Very messy chart. Apologize for that. Let's see. Let's just take everything off for a second. So, yeah, clear uptrend, right? High time frame. We're on a daily chart. Clear uptrend here on the daily, especially if we zoom up here. Weekly. Chop slash. Yeah, pretty choppy. Just choppy. Yeah. Kind of made a lower low here, so boop. No clear direction here for our in higher time frame uptrend, but right now cooling off as we speak. So let's see, the idea here, reversal to the upside. Yeah, so what we're looking at here is, I actually outlined this last week. Yeah, big fig holds. Look at this hold. Look at this big figure right here. 0.91000. But the bodies of the candle completely respect this level as of right now. And we probably have, yeah, we're probably looking to shoot up right here during the day. But okay, so we came down relatively close to the big fig and channel support, right? And as we are pushing down, we are marking these zones here to find, and these are the area of interest zones. We're seeing that, okay, price pushed up above this zone. So actually in this case now, this would have been interested when we're hearing price. We push up and we look for price to react here. Then we are interested in looking at this one to see, okay, will we make it above this one? Because this one is clearly much more significant than this one at the bottom. Right now, what I'm looking for in this position, we have clearly, so let me also add that as well. We have, what we're trading off here is a simple reverse head and shoulder pattern, right? It's a clear and simple reverse head and shoulder, and we're looking for it to push or help price push to the upside. Now, what we want to see though is we don't want to go in here and say, oh, we're breaking down, we're holding EMA, we're gonna just buy. No, we don't buy like that. We want to wait for this. We always buy at area of interest. We cannot buy above it. We cannot sell above it. We cannot, we don't do it. We want to be here in this area right here. When price taps it, we get the entry. That's how we get the finest entries. Even though if we want to buy it now, because we're seeing that it bounces off the 50 EMA, we cannot do it, all right? We cannot do it. And some may do it, some may not. I like to really be conservative here on my entries to not, just so I'm able to stand the heat when I take on risk and everything, and so I don't close my positions prematurely because of the fact that I knew that, oh fuck, I should have taken the position at AOI, not the big fig, for example. Okay. What do we got here? So yeah, what I want to say, what I am looking at right now is when price breaks out, as we have done here, we have broken out, boom, breakout. What we're looking for is a retest, okay? We're retesting, and what are we retesting? Okay, so we can, here we have some confluence. We have the big fig, we have the EMA. Retest of that, But I want the clear retest of this level right here. Here's the level, and also what I can tell you is here is we're seeing some equal lows right here. We're pushing down to it. If we just sweep that buff, get that liquidity grab as well, and we come in the AOI, and we get some signal in price that we want to push up higher, that we want to that bulls are stepping in, that we get momentum to the upside, that's when I want to buy. Okay, that's when I buy. So that's a good start here. So now you have an idea on, okay, what I'm actually looking at. What are we looking at? And this it requires patience. So just very calm, look at price, just wait until you get triggered that, oop, we're there, buy it. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave an alert right here. And I'm gonna just keep going here. Let's see, what did I type here? We see a break of structure that looks potentially bullish here. Price is respecting the levels, and we could look for a long position potentially here. All right. What's the daily close? Daily close? What do you mean? Oh, right. Ah, yeah, but it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one. JPN 225, 225. Damn. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Look at this bearish engulfing here. Oh, if I wasn't streaming, maybe I would short this impulsively right now. But I can't do it. I can't be impulsive on stream. That's not how it works. I have to be really restricted. Rules driven. All right. So what are we seeing here? Another idea for this week. We have seen some weakness coming in from JPN in general. We got this huge dump pushed up. I kind of wanted to see some head and right shoulder type vibe, where this was like some very weird neck trend line / neckline, but it can't be neckline because the right shoulder is right here. So yeah. What am I looking at here? So yeah, I mean, as I've outlined here, I kind of missed this already, but I was just looking at a break of this support level right here. Yeah, looking for this to shape up like bearishly, make like a right shoulder, bam, break it, retest EMA, push down. Okay, so that was like my entry idea. Because we do have some leg room here, I would say. Yeah, whatever you want to call it. That's the idea. This is probably not of interest anymore, though. I'm gonna keep it on the list anyway. Oh, we have just broken this downside to the downside, yeah, exactly. And we are looking for a retest of. You see that? Keep it close. Yeah, all right. Nice one. Nice try. Nice try, Diddy. All right, cool. Spot crude, looking for a bullish push to the upside, retesting this level. I was actually trying to long this last week, and then I closed out. As you can see, I closed out right at this low before it pushed up, and I was so pissed last week. Oh god, last week was so rough, guys. It was so rough. But I mean, as you can see, did a huge push down, came up and up. Yeah, such a seek and destroy market right there for spot the crude. Now, as you can see, bullish engulfing potentially on the 2-hour chart would be a very clear indication that we want to push up and retest at least the big figure and the AOI level, potentially even the EMA. You know, potentially going higher. I don't think we're going higher, but maybe we do. Looking at the higher time frames, yeah, that looks very bearish. So look at this, clean bearish engulfing break of structure. Sorry, break of, I mean, yeah, sure, you could say break of structure, but break of the support here. Break, We want to see it come up, retest this level, and bust down lower. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this. That's my tilt from last week. Okay. Cool. This is a great opportunity. I think this could be a very good opportunity. What we're looking for then, if we do get the push up, we want to see the signal that we are going to drop. Okay, we want the signal. We want the signal to be clear. Not be let's just sell it. No, we have to see price actually turn on us. It has to roll over and give us a clear signal in price. Good. Gravestone Doji. What the hell? Why are we breaking out? Why are we breaking out? So as you can see, it's not enough. You can't just see the Gravestone Doji and short with bet the farm that it's gonna go down. No. What's this, guys? This is not a short. If you shorted here, you would be gone by now. Massive bullish candle. Yeah, EMA kind of holds. We're pushing through the. I was actually anticipating this to not even hold above the big figure right here, and I want to short it yesterday night. Like, you see, you're gonna want to do some stupid things when you trade, but you have to have the restriction to say, okay, I'm gonna wait and see what it wants to do actually, and we see it actually wants to break the fuck up higher. All right, so as of right now, we're waiting. Gravestone Doji, yes, it is a Gravestone Doji. Probability should be high that we're going down. However, we are seeing some other things in price going on right now. So we're gonna wait and see what happens. Potentially, we do form a head and shoulder. Maybe this wasn't that. Maybe this is the head, right? So maybe we get boom, 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 right? So I mean, we don't know. We don't know. What we do know is, you know, everything we see, everything price shows us. So don't be too quick. I mean, people see the wicks, they see, oh, it's wicking, it's going down. Oh, it created head and shoulder. Maybe even right here, people might just zoom in and say, well, let's see here. Here's the head and shoulder, right? Okay, now that's very messy. Never mind. But like if you zoom, yeah. So left, head, right, boom, break down. Price goes up. People are selling here, and then boom, boom, dead. They're dead, right? They're out of the market right now. So we're just waiting. All right, we're just waiting. We still have not got this, any significant break of structure either to the downside. That would be if we break down below this level. I mean, internal break of structure, but not true boom boom. I mean, here we're still bullish, right? We are still bullish. We have not broken down anywhere here. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay, so we are bullish, guys. Breathe, take it easy, wait for it. We have a lot of room to go up here if price decides to go up, of course. Cool. Euro JPY. It's a beautiful position. Or opportunity, I should say. Watch this. We are right now at a very key level, guys. Look at this significant area of interest and big figure level at 163.500. Okay. The confluence here is AOI, big fig, EMA, potentially EMA. Oh yeah, EMA, baby. EMA, baby. Look at this. We broke below the EMA on the daily. Wow, that's beautiful. We got the bearish engulfing. One bearish engulfing. Two bearish engulfing. Price pushes lower. We retest the AOI. Massive candle to the downside. Now we are retesting this. We are now retesting a huge resistance. Oh my god, this just sounds like free money right now. Okay, so what I'm getting too excited now, but what we're doing is we want to see a entry signal on the lower time frame. That would be the 30-minute, 1 hour, or similar. All right, we're just waiting right now. We are just waiting to push the button right now. What I would do now, I would go into I will calculate my position size even right now, just to make sure that when I see it, I'm ready to just execute it. Okay. Let's see here. What do we have? We have a big figure right there. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait for it, because it could also want to push up to 164,000. It could just not respect this level at all. So don't think you know what's gonna happen. I mean, you never know what's gonna happen. So we're gonna stay put. We're gonna relax, watch price, and see what happens. In the meantime, we will have a look at some other markets. AUD NZD. Let's go. Yeah, this is kind of a not my style of trading. I just thought it was, I don't know why this is on here, but yeah, I mean, we have an uptrend. We have some, we are right now in a range, right? On the, we can go into daily. Oops. Yeah, upper level, it's a range highs, range lows. When we come at highs, we sell. When we come at lows, we buy, since we are in a range environment. However, if we get the break, look for the retest, look for the continuation. That's that's my idea here. Okay, so I just put this right here. It doesn't even need to be there. We know what we're looking for if we get the breaks above or below. Yeah, I'll leave it right as it is. Just waiting for it, you know, to shape up. ADCHF. Let's see, AUDCJ, yeah. Yeah, so there are a few scenarios here. One is high time frame, head and shoulder potential. Okay. That's it right there. We see it on the daily. All right. We are rejecting a higher time frame AOI. We are not, however, seeing a lot of bearishness in price. We're not seeing like the aggressive bearish engulfings. We're seeing some wicks, but not too much, I wouldn't say. The other scenario, so the bearish case, I mean, it is a possibility. We're not too bearish. However, the bullish case, my friends, the bullish case, right now we are not looking too bullish. However, we are looking at a, if we go to the 4 hour, maybe it's a little clearer for you guys. Oops. We are, however, looking at this. Up. Potential right inverse head and shoulder, or right shoulder for the inverse head and shoulder. So potential upside here. We just leave it like that. And okay, so let's see here. What do we see? We have seen an internal structure shift, higher high. Not higher high like real high, but internal highs. Okay, higher high, right? Coming down. We are below the EMA, so we're not too bullish right here at this position. However, we can come up to the upside here. If we do, I'm still not gonna trade it. I just want to see it. You know, I just want to see what it does. If it breaks below here, if it breaks below this trend line, as well as the AOI and the big fig, and then we're looking for a retest, and we're trading it to the downside. Okay, if we are breaking up here, if we start pushing upwards, I'm not buying it, I'm not doing anything. What I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for a neckline break, retest, buy to the upside. Okay, that's how we trade this. That's how we do. All right, cool. As you can see, we don't touch anything. Well, it's a great example of why we don't touch anything. We don't touch it here because we don't know if we're creating the right shoulder or if we're just breaking down here. If we just made a double top or whatever and busted down lower. In this case, there was a great potential for a inverse head and shoulder here, but we did not get the bounce of this right shoulder. We did not break above the level, and we just continue to bleed down here. We're just bleeding. Price is bleeding down right there. Okay, look for the right shoulder to form. This could turn very bullish if the right inverse shoulder forms and we get a bullish push above the neckline. Oh my god, let's just remove that. We didn't get it. It's fine. We didn't even take an entry. There is no reason to buy it at this level anyways, according to our strategy. So that's fine. Not interested at all. Actually, we can even remove this from the list. It's not of interest anymore. We did not want to take any short entries on that one anyways. USD, okay. What happened here? Okay, this is interesting. We've just broken below some support here. USD CHF. That looks amazing. Okay. Okay. Daily. Bearish Harami, guys. Bearish Harami on the daily chart. Would you look at that, guys? Would you look at that? That's amazing. That is amazing. Wow. I'm gonna note that real quick. I'm gonna have to note that. USD CHF. Bearish Harami on daily. Yeah, as well as as well as a structure break. We're shifting the structure currently on USD CHF. I kind of don't like it because the dollar has been very bullish. But potentially we are looking to reverse here. There is potential, guys. Okay, we can get like retest this zone. All right, some support, previous support. Let's do it like that. Kind of are looking to break structure. A lot of wicks, a lot of indecision. Okay, this I like it. I like it a lot. Else did I like a lot? This one and the USD. It's a tough one. We're at huge support. All right, huge support. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom on the higher time frame as well. Just ranging like that. So as we tap support, we are expecting price to bounce. What we're seeing on the lower time frames is in contrary to that. We're seeing how prices are responding very bearishly, and now even pushing below the big figure and the AOI level. So we have to be cautious there. We can't just short it however we want. But the opportunity is there. Short opportunity is there. I mean, but we're not. It's not very a high prop setup, I wouldn't say. It's a tough one. Okay. So I would just not be too aggressive. I'll just take it easy, guys. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. yeah, I mean that's kind of it. I went through the list. Now I'm just, just scanning the market. I want to scan it a little bit more, but I think that it's gonna be pretty boring for you guys to just watch me look at the chart and do nothing but, yeah, do my chart stuff without talking too much. So I'm thinking that we end stream and come back tomorrow or in a few days. I don't know. Um, yeah, let's do that. Send stream right there. I'm gonna scan it some more, make some rotations, make some important journaling, documenting, whatever, uh, and get back to you guys very soon. Hopefully, I'm out. See you. Okay, we're not